Hey friends, a lot of users have reported this issue that Gmail is not showing all of their emails on their PC. So, what would you do in that case? I'll give you the best suggestions. Before anything else, open the Google Drive associated with that account. Don't open anything else, just open Google Drive and check the U storage. Do you have sufficient storage to receive emails at the first place? Usually the default storage is 15 GB, though I purchased it more and I made it 200 GB, but you may be having 15 GB, so make sure that you have sufficient storage. Then check other folders like the social folder, the promotion folder. And after that, you can also do one more thing. You can go to the all mail section. It will show all mails. Check for the emails that you wanted here. You can use the search bar to search for it. Go to the spam folder. Check the spam email separately. They will be more organized. Go to the bin folder and check the bin folder well. So this is how you can check for the emails. Although I suggest that just go to all mails and you'll find all the mails here. So you can search for it. Okay. Let's say I know the sender is YouTube. So click on YouTube and I'll check all the emails that are received from YouTube. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.